Garden, and welcome to this week's Tidbits. We're going to be talking about March 3rd through March 7th. I just wanted to share from our book creator book. Our book has been read 216 times, which is awesome that you're using this as a resource to support you. Just a reminder that bit.ly for our book creator book is right here in that lower left corner. Once we click into it, we will be able to click on the week for March 3rd that we will be talking about. So here's our week of March 3rd through the 7th. Students will be for skills block in module 3, finishing up cycle 15 with lesson 80, and then moving into cycle 16, lessons 81 to 83. 4 modules. For module 3, unit 2, students will finish up with lesson 12 and then begin unit 3. So taking a look at finishing up unit 2, students will be doing a science talk. So I just wanted to show a quick portion of this video. You can reference this inside of our Tidbit book to watch the longer video, but this is just an example of that science talk and what it should look like in the classroom.
Wonder about and oral language.
Why do body parts help it survive? Because
most importantly, science talks allow students to do exactly what scientists do. Think about, wonder about, and talk about how things work.
In order to get ready to do our science talk, we need to go back. We need to look at our drawings to answer our big question. How does a...
So you could see in the video the teacher setting and framing the work to remind students that they are answering their big question, which their big guiding question was, how do living things depend on trees? Beginning the first 3 lessons of Unit 3, you will be modeling as the teacher with the sugar maple text how to begin researching and understanding to take notes on a tree and what a tree needs. Students will be talking about what the maple tree needs, what it looks like, and begin taking notes to start their writing by writing a focus statement and those detailed sentences. Moving into skills block, again, closing out our cycle 15 with lesson 80, students will be doing some chaining work. This first video here is the chaining video. So that chaining is going to support students with phoneme segmentation, but then also blending to make sure they got that word correctly, which leads it perfectly into lesson 82, where students are continuing to do that work with just phoneme blending and segmentation without the writing instruction with it. Reminder about lesson 81 with that engagement text to decodables. You as the teacher are reading aloud that engagement text, which is a longer, more complex text, as students are listening, and then they will retell it to their classmates or you as they're answering those questions. Then students will practice that spelling pattern, which their spelling pattern is going to be sounding out CVC words, focusing with that short O sound with their vowel sound. Their mystery words or their high frequency words you will introduce them to in lesson 83 are the words or and for. I'm going to play a short video or a short portion of this video, which is the phoneme blending and segmentation.
Segmentation, to understand letter-sound combinations and how that helps them read and spell words. The ability to segment words into sounds is one of the most important contributors in helping children learn to read words during kindergarten and first grade.
So we're going to do a little bit of practice. We're going to tap it out on our fingers. Remember how we tap it out. So I put my 3 fingers up here. I'm going to use my thumb to tap it out. My turn first. And then I'm going to blend it together by running my thumb underneath. Nut. All right, friends, we're going to try it with the word rug. My turn first. Ugh. Rug. Your turn. Rug. Rug.
So just to give you an idea of what that instructional routine looks like, you can go into our book creator book to check that out. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you back here next week.